Hey everyone, it's Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from Handy Andy Media, back at it with another unboxing. This time we're doing the House of Marley Redemption ANC 2. And what's interesting about this, we just take a look, 24 hours of playback. That is, of course, with the case. It's an IPX5, so it is water and sweat resistant. It has both active noise cancellation and also echo noise cancellation. And this is something that I've seen for the first time right over here. So another interesting thing about it, you can see it is actually made out of real wood, some natural wood fibers, bamboo to be exact. So I'm just gonna go ahead, oh, and there I go ahead and drop it. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this right now and let's go see what's inside. So let's start with the unboxing, and to save some time, I'm just gonna cut it open. There we go. So it's got this little case on here. Let's take this off. That's interesting. I haven't seen that before. So there is, I don't know if you can see that, Redemption ANC. Interesting case. It's nice and hard. Not too big. You could fit this in your pocket. Let's look at these earbuds. I'm going to, of course, jump rope with these on later on during my review, so you want to watch that. But let's just take a quick first look. These are not bad, actually. Now, just quickly, I want to make sure that they do have different earbuds, that little rubbery stuff on the side here, because you know, our ears are different sizes, and you want to make sure that you find the right one. And lo and behold, I've used House of Marley before, and they do come. So judging on the size of your ears and your earlobe, I guess, you're going to be able to get a tight fit with that. And one thing, actually I should say this now, is I always recommend that you go ahead, when you first buy headphones, is try all of them out, because you never know. It might have a good fit, but the other one might be better. All of this is made out of recycling packaging, so very, very simple. Let's see what else is in here. We got your charging, USB-C. That's nice to see. This day and age, USB-C, believe it or not, it's like 7 years old. It's crazy. And of course, you got your warranty and stuff. Oh, let's just take a quick look at this stuff. Let's see if they got some stickers. Yep. So here's your Marley sticker. You can become a brand ambassador of Marley. Also, it talks about we plant trees across the globe. So they do have that, and if you need help, they want to make sure that you contact them directly and don't go on social media and hate on the brand. So there we go. You want to go ahead and check out my review of these. Now, if you know me, I review a lot of earbuds, and I always jump rope with them because I want to see how they perform in that case. So make sure you go subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave your comments of anything else you want me to review. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.